Boy, Rap Alcantara. Only 1-3 Gold Sunrise. All set, ready to race. Race number 4. Good luck on your pick 4 choices. The race is on. PayPal look shows alertness at the start. Right behind in second, Black Magic Woman. Okay, Mr. Bond. Then comes Gold Sunrise, followed by runner number 5, Big Brown. Running second last is Princess Glory, while Betty Bubble is in behind them. Heading towards the 600 with PayPal look, maintaining a length and a half lead. Running in second, Black Magic Woman, Gold Sunrise. Then in between runners comes Okay, Mr. Bond, followed by Big Brown and Princess Glory. As they race towards the 450 with PayPal look still leading the field. Black Magic Woman is battle. Gold Sunrise running on the outside. Third, then comes Okay, Mr. Bond. PayPal look still leading the field. Running down on the inside is Black Magic Woman. Black Magic Woman battle. PayPal look on the outside with 75 meters to race. PayPal look is still giving plenty over Black Magic Woman, and finally PayPal look. Black Magic Woman, Big Brown close between Princess Glory and Okay.
Okay. Crossing the